Hi, I'm Darryl Youngquist. Do you have a dry area where nothing seems to grow? Here are a few perennial plants that might be just what you're looking for. Sedum, or stonecrop, are creeping or upright succulent plants. They all bloom in a wide range of colors. Hens and chicks are a lot like sedum. They stay low to the ground and grow in rosettes. Creeping thyme has pink flowers and stays low to the ground. Lavender works really good in a dry spot, as long as it gets regular watering. Juniper is an evergreen plant that adapts well to a dry spot. Plants must develop an established root system before they can go without regular waterings. Be sure to amend the soil with soil conditioner and use Biotone plant starter when planting anything. Yearly fertilizing with Plant Tone will keep your gardening looking great. Visit English Gardens and talk to our gardening experts for more options on what's available right now and helpful advice on your problem area. I'm Darryl Youngquist, helping make life beautiful by making gardening easier.